hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it.
Where you come from, Anna?
You know some market
Anna,
go
where
to
you
that
come from?
Saturday.
Anna, don't rap with me, Anna. Where you come from?
Stop it like what?
Anna.
Stop.
Anna, where you come from? Yeah? Anna. Anna, where you come from, Anna? Yeah? Anna, where you come from? You love me, this. Anna, where you come from? Anna?
Come on, keep on going.
This market. Yo, I try to love you and the ramp with me, yeah?
Please, please.
Please what?
No.
Make sure the money off for me, Anna. Yeah? Yeah, tell you, look for yo, make sure the money off for me, yeah?
Stop.
Turn the money off, yeah? Please.
Sit down and tell you the whole thing. Can call somebody so they can get like counseling or something, counseling. Who me gonna tell? Tell me, I tell us I know somebody can get counseling. Look on it in their face. We can't tell nobody last time reporting. They make him friend them, all them friend them come and talk. You don't understand what we're doing. Don't understand. Girl, you need to go to the law. This is not right. This is abuse, girl. Look when they naked now because my police like, we can't fight this and I'm can't let him know everybody from me know my family know it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I can help you. There's a. Oh, you gonna help me? We can go into the law and you can go to a counselor and talk first. And if the counselor don't work it out, we just get him out of your life. We do all that already. Him got church. Him got church. We got comes. Him say I'm gonna change. Him go like him change. Him change a little while. You know what you gonna wait? You gonna wait until him kill you one of these days. Look when him do your neck and every second you come and work bruise. You know we can focus on work. You need to talk to somebody. Go into the law or something. Try something. I try everything I know for them. No my mother, no my father, no everybody for me. Always afraid me. But that means you can't come to me then. You can even know me. You can come to me. Because every second you beat you, you can't even focus at work and then something. Look when your skin. But you don't know me when I'm for a year and I'm coming to your yard. It doesn't matter, girl. You can come to my house. I know you. Every day we talk at work. You're my co-worker. Yes, that's my family right now. But no, girl, you can't come to my house. Come sit down and we'll talk about this. Okay? Alright. Why it don't look good? Because everybody in the workplace after I figure out. Everybody I figure out? Yes, everybody I come and say always have the bruise and for your skin, you know. Everybody I chat with them man, no sir. Them not really chatty, them not really chatty, them not really talk to you. What am I say? Sit down. No sir. Sit down. You know I'm embarrassed, sometimes I'm just so embarrassed. I go to church, I'm embarrassed because I don't know when we talk to pastor. The pastor talk to him, get caught. You just need to take him out of your life. We can go to the law. I know somebody. My brother is an officer as well. You understand me? We can talk to him. You come to my house, get a restraining order, everything. Can you see even my boyfriend at my house? He's very nice. My boyfriend is very nice. Him wash, him cook, him clean, him do everything nice into the house. He's so perfect. You realize that if I wake up now, or the first never wake up because I tell him say, I want to sit down and talk to you. As work finish, him there right to my foot. You don't need somebody to abuse you like this, girl. You're a very nice young lady.
I wish me have a man like you. I talk to him, you know. Him start real up, start fight me, start beat me, start bite me. What things him doing? What do you do? Him choke me and kick me down, you know.
You're going to wait until him kill you. You realize that the man them kill woman them nowadays?
Yeah, that's what
God,
leave.
don't cry.
Leave. I'm a husband,
You can't leave. You can't leave. There is always a way. You can leave. We just need, I'm in this together with you and we are going to fix this, okay?
I just think about it so I can come stay here.
You can come to my house and stay in there, always clean. My boyfriend is home now and he's always clean in the house.
If I want me to make me stay here yet, I don't know.
Yes, you can.
I feel just think about it. My head hurt me.
Or you can think about it before it's too late. Okay, you don't want it to be too late, girl.
Alright. Come follow me on bus stop here.
Alright. You sure you're alright? Yeah. You sure you want come tonight or you want go home?
I just think about it first. Look how I'm doing it. Look how I'm doing it.
Yeah, look at me next. I'm come on, you see all your hands on them something there.
Girl, them strawberry chips, huh? Yeah, man. And I'm dead with them to the pick here, you know. Yeah, man. Sure.
Oh my God. Again. Wien! Look at the place all dirty. Wien! Look at the place all dirty. Wien! What could have caused this?
So the excitement for kind of excitement.
Where me by excitement? Where did I come get out of my bed? Where did I my bed? Look how long you have to look work here the phone boy you snap.
So how much do you go up on the road and look where?
Go on which road? Go on the road every single day until you get a walk.
I love the bag of excitement.
Where me by excitement? I start with the excitement yet. I'll take out the chain, my baby. Take out the chain, sir.
Somebody I want to see you.
Where me by somebody? I don't want nobody see me. I don't want nobody see me.
The bag of nice, sir.
I don't want nobody see me in the workplace. I don't want to say more. You get up out of my bed. I need to get up. You ain't at the house. You're not in the house. Watch her. Look on the dresser. Look on the bed.
3 days straight, I'm going to look what I'm going to get now. You kill yourself.
It doesn't matter if you want something, you have to work.
If you like work, easy to get out there.
Work easy to get. If you can't get no work, you be the owner work. Get up out of bed, sir. Get up. More you get up now. I'm tired of this now.
Can't what are the excitement?
I'm tired of I'm not busy what you want to say. I'm tired of you and this now. You walk this boy, the pants boy. You actually nothing.
Yeah, but I'm chatting with you.
Give me my key. Give me my key. Where you go? My key. Your key back here. You said give me my key. More my key. You walk this like.